of June 2022, we registered an offence upon the complaint of Lucio Menezes, who lodged his complaint against the unknown accused person for committing theft of cash or rupees 1,50,000 from the Holy Spirit Church. After registration of the offence, under the supervision of SP South, Sri Abhishek Dania sir, and SDPO Malgaon, Sri Shivendra Bhushan sir, we formed our team and we managed to apprehend one accused person, namely Alex, son of Matthew, whose age is 39 years, resident of Kerala. We managed to apprehend him from Telangana state, and we also recovered cash of rupees 53,500 from his possession and also some housebreaking tools. Presently, we had produced him before Honorable JMFC Court Malgaon, and he has been remanded 8 days police custody. Presently, investigation is being carried out on merit basis.